Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, this is the 907 Fantasy Sports page, and we just had a day. We went 5-2 on VIP. We ended up missing the free play. Garrett Nussmeier, he got pulled late in the fourth quarter, and he just sucked that game. Like, they could not get anything going in that second half. He threw for 168 yards. We needed, I believe it was 175 out of him. I think that's what it was, or 180, something like that. Let's go over here. It was one of those two. Just a bad beat overall. But we are back today. We have another free play for you today, and this one I am so confident in. This is an absolute beautiful play. It's going to cash. It's going to make you some money. So make sure you go ahead and tail it. If you guys are new, go over here and get on Chalkboard. They're going to hook you up with $20 of absolutely free money, no deposit necessary. Just use the code 907fantasy when signing up. That link is down in the description below. Same as Sleeper. They're going to hook you up with $20, no deposit necessary. They're also going to give you a mystery deal over there when you use the code 907fantasy. Dabble's going to give you a free 25. And then BETR here is the app of the day. So this is what we're going to be playing on today. They're going to give you a free $10 and a $200 bonus on your first deposit. It's legal in all the purple states here. Along with, they're going to give you this Aaron Rodgers free pick as well. Just use the code 907fantasy when signing up, or use that link down in the description below, and they're going to hook you up. So looking at this, we went 5-2. We've missed all two of the plays that we missed when we went 5-2. We missed the two plays that had Garrett Nussmeier in it. So not going to blackball him or put him on the ban list, but if he sucks like that again for us, we're not betting on him again. So we won these Devin Booker and Kevin Guzman plays over on BETR, and then we had this nice win over on Underdog. Ryan Williams, Tyrese Maxey, and Shea Gilgeous-Alexander all over there. So some nice wins, going 5-2 on VIP. That's why you guys want to be over here on VIP. You can get on the VIP gold level for $99 a month. If you use the code NBA, I believe it is still active, and that is forever, not just for the first month. Forever 50% off, so it'd be $49 for you there per month, or the week pass would be $12.50 per week for you there. So use the code NBA and get on that. We're cashing there. If you would have used either of those plans, you're going to be cashing with us along with these. So let's take a look at some of the plays. I'm liking some money lines here. I'm going to be sending these out to VIP, but I may give you a couple good ones here. I like Atlanta on the money line. I also like them -3.5 there. They're favored at -7.5, but you know anything can happen there. Cincinnati, New York, Cleveland at New England. I like New England here. Cleveland does have a good defense, but New England, they've been playing good this year. New York at Philly. Buffalo at Carolina. I like Buffalo. Buffalo's got to keep up with New England here. Buffalo's starting to fall behind a little bit. They don't want to give that lead, especially to a divisional round, divisional opponent. They don't want to give up too much of a lead there to New England. So Buffalo's backs are up against the wall here. They got to come out and play. They're playing a Carolina team that hasn't looked like absolutely horrible this year, but they're not looking like they're Super Bowl contenders or even playoff contenders there. So Buffalo's got to come out. Looking at them, -3.5 there, and the money line there. Chicago at Baltimore. San Francisco at Houston. Tampa Bay. Take Tampa Bay all day. Dallas at Denver. Tennessee at Indianapolis. Take Indianapolis all day. They are the biggest favorite of the day at -14.5. And then we got some Sunday night football between Green Bay and Pittsburgh. So let's go over here, and I will show you what the free play of the day is, and it is an absolute beautiful one. So we're taking Josh Jacobs. He is discounted over on BETR. So that's why you guys want to be over here on BETR. Get on there. Use the code 907fantasy when signing up. They'll give you that $10, the Aaron Rodgers free pick, and the play of the day here. Josh Jacobs over 53.5 rushing yards. And then Christian McCaffrey over 24.5 receiving yards. That is an absolute beautiful play. He's been averaging over, I believe it's over 50. If we take a look here at Prizepicks, if it'll even load for us. There we go. So we're going over here to the NFL. And then let's take a look at receiving yards. And coming down here to Christian McCaffrey. Where is he at? Christian McCaffrey. George Kittle. Christian McCaffrey right here. So he's averaging 78 over the last 5. So give me 25 yards there. This is an absolute beautiful play. We are going to cash. We're going to have a bounce back day. This is going to be an easy winner for us. So make sure you go over there, get that locked in over on BETR. Use the code 907FANTASY when signing up. Good luck with all of your plays tomorrow. But want to get this out early for you so you can get this locked in. But let's go have another amazing day. VIP at 5-2. We're looking for another great day tomorrow to have a beautiful weekend of some football. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow or on Monday for some more free plays for you there. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys all on VIP. So peace out.